Bob Boldt HVAC is a trusted provider of furnace repair in Lakeville, Minnesota 55044, known for its reliable heating and cooling services in the area. With skilled technicians and a focus on efficiency and indoor air quality, they expertly handle repairs for furnaces, HVAC systems, and more, using top brands like Trane. Are you looking for a furnace repair in Lakeville, Minnesota 55044? You can stop looking, you found Bob Boldt HVAC. How quickly can Bob Boldt HVAC provide furnace repair services in Lakeville, Minnesota 55044? Bob Boldt HVAC is recognized for its fast response times for furnace repair in Lakeville, Minnesota 55044, often offering same-day or next-day appointments. They prioritize scheduling service calls quickly, depending on the season and repair demand. Does Bob Boldt HVAC offer emergency furnace repair services in the Lakeville area? Yes, Bob Boldt HVAC provides emergency furnace repair services in the Lakeville area, prepared to handle urgent repairs during harsh Minnesota winters. They understand that heating issues can arise unexpectedly and are ready to respond when needed. What is the service area of Bob Boldt HVAC? Bob Boldt HVAC provides services at a variety of locations in Eagan, Minnesota, including Burnsville, Apple Valley, Eagan, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, and Richfield. Where is Bob Boldt HVAC located in Lakeville, Minnesota 55044? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road, Suite 200, Eagan, Minnesota 55121. Our phone number is 651-300-6145. Visit our website at www.bobvots.com.